SMK Helmets.
Gullwing, new single-touch visor mechanism illustration.
Visor mechanism replacement. Open the visor fully first, then pull the visor opening button down to the full extent and gently pull it out from the channel. Repeat the same for the other side. To replace the visor mechanism, first remove the visor. Then use a screwdriver to open the screw. Then gently tilt the visor mechanism using the visor opening button using the thumb, and use your fingertips to remove the visor mechanism from its slot. Insert the locking leg first in the slot provided and push the visor mechanism in its slot. Then screw it back in place using a screwdriver. To insert a visor, align the pivots and L-shaped legs on the channel provided on the visor mechanism in the fully open condition and push it place.
SMK Helmets.